Hello, good morning, students. So- Hello, sorry. Good evening, students. I am Srinivasan, physics lecturer from Spark Academy. Today, we are going to deal with JEE main questions from laws of motion, etc. Work, rotatory motion, and work power energy. So, laws of motion. So, laws of motion, you basically should know concept F is equal to ma. 1 second, student. Okay, laws of motion. So you know F is equal to ma, Newton's second law. So this is constant force. A is acceleration, the mass is also constant. You will use this equation theory. So variable force means, for example, variable force means the acceleration is also variable. So variable force means what you will do in problems. M acceleration dv by dt you will write. Acceleration you write dv by dt. So from that sometimes you may not go integration and all that. F is equal to ma. You can use, if A is constant, you can use equations of motion. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square is 2AS. In this chapter, we are going to get tension. When weight is suspended, tension is equal to mg. Similarly, pulleys problems also will be there. So concepts, mainly F is equal to ma or A is equal to F by m will be there in this. Again, if you see this problem, I have given briefly Newton's law, second law I gave you. So as per given figure, a weightless pulley, this is weightless pulley, is attached to a double inclined frictionless surface. The tension in the string will be how much he is asking. So here, if you see 4 kg here 60 degrees, here 1 kg 30 degrees. Here weight is more, it tries to come down like this. This side, it tries to go up. Tension will be there here. Tension will be there. Tension will be there like that. So here, to make components here, it will come down this side. You have to divide, we have to make weight into components. So you know components. Weight will act vertically downwards. So this component, if you say this component 4 kg, component downward, one component will be there. Here also downward component will be there. This is nothing but equal to 1g sine 30, mg sine 30, that concept you know I think. Here 4g sine 60. 4g sine 60. As it is coming down, so this component will be greater than tension. 4g sine 60, 4g sine 60, definitely greater than tension. That is equal to resultant force is equal to ma. F means F is equal to m. Single force means ma. Resultant force. One is 4g sine 60, another is tension in the string. This will be equal to 4 into acceleration A. Okay, student. Then here it will go up. Tension is greater than this. So T minus 1g sine 30, 1g sine 30, 1g sine 30, 1g sine 30. I'll write once again. Equal nothing but equal 1 into A. 1 into A means A. 1 into A. 1g sine, this is called 1g sine 30. 1g sine 30. So this is first equation, this is second equation. To add, tension will be cancelled, but he is asking tension only. Don't add now, divide. Divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. I am dividing. Because acceleration we can cancel. 4g sine 60 means root 3 by 2 minus tension by t minus 1g sine 30. Sine 30 is half. 1g means g. Sin 30 means half. T minus G by 2 is nothing but equal to 4a by 1a. 4a by 1a. A gets cancelled. So 2 gets cancelled with this here. So what will happen? Root 3, 2 root 3g. 2 root 3g. I am writing next step here. 2 root 3g minus tension by tension minus g by 2 is nothing but equal to 4 by 1. To cross multiply, what you are going to get? 4t minus 4 into g by 2. 4 into g by 2. 4 into g by 2 is nothing but equal to 2g. 4t minus 2g. 4t minus g by 2 into 4, 2g. Nothing but equal to 2 root 3g, 2 root 3g, 2 root 3g minus tension. So if you send that side, t 4 minus tt will become 5t. 5t will become equal to 2 root 3g plus 2g. 2g take common, 2g take common. You are going to get 2g take common. You are going to get root 3 minus 1. You are going to get root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. 5 come this side. 5 tension 2 root 3g. Sorry, this is plus 2 root 3g plus 2g. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 you are going to get divided by this tension. So t is equal to 2 by 5g. 2 by 5g means 2 by 5g. 2 by g value can you take? So you can get what the equation you get in this 5t. Tension is nothing but 2g, 20 by 5. G is 10, 20 by 5. 4 you will get. 4 into root 3 plus 1. Answer is this. Here I am getting these all equations I wrote. 4g sin 60 minus tension is 4a. Because coming down, this will be greater than tension. Going up, tension will be greater than 1g sin 30. If you take the equation 1g sin 30 and divide this, ultimately you are going to get this result. So after this step, I am writing here. Then finally, after simplification, you are going to get 4 into root 3 plus 1. So this is the answer. Next, there is a theory question. You know elevator, lift. Students, elevator and lift. Elevator can go up or down with uniform speed. An elevator is there. A person is standing here. Elevator can go up or down with uniform speed. Uniform speed means what? Acceleration is 0. Uniform speed says that acceleration is 0. So elevator can go up or down with uniform speed when weight is balanced by tension. Yes. In this case, so person is standing with the speed when weight is balanced with tension of the cable. What the weight of the lift is telling. There are cables are there. Tension is balanced. Tension is balanced by weight because the acceleration is 0. The upward force tension will be equal to weight of the lift here. Weight of the lift total including the person, total weight. Tension is equal to mg. Tension is equal to mg. That is correct only. Elevator can go up or down with uniform speed when weight is balanced by tension. That is correct. But second statement is what? Force exerted by the floor of the elevator. Force exerted by the floor of an elevator on the foot of the person standing on it is more than his weight when the elevator goes down with increasing speed. When elevator is going down, when elevator is going down with an acceleration, so normal reaction acts upward, weight will act downward. So you write mg minus normal reaction is equal to ma. So normal reaction is nothing but force exerted by the floor. Force exerted by the floor is normal reaction. Force exerted by the floor is normal reaction. Force exerted by the floor is nothing but normal reaction. And N means standard symbol, normal reaction. So this is normal reaction. So what is normal reaction? Mg minus Ma. Mg minus Ma. That means normal reaction is more than is still. Normal reaction, if you see here, definitely Mg minus Ma means normal reaction definitely will be less than Mg. But he is telling what? Force exerted by the floor of the elevator on the foot of the person standing on it is more than his or her. A boy is standing or girl is standing, more than weight he is telling when the elevator goes down with increasing speed. Goes down with increasing speed means acceleration is positive. Goes down with increasing speed. Speed is increasing. Coming down, speed will increase. Acceleration is positive. But normal reaction is Mg minus Ma. Definitely normal reaction is less than Mg, but he is telling greater than Mg. That means statement 1, statement true or false is told. This is not correct. Statement 1 is true because when it is going with uniform speed acceleration is 0. So Mg plus or minus Ma, A is 0, tension is equal to Mg. Therefore, weight is balanced by tension. That is correct. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Yes, statement 2 is false because he is giving N is more than. He is telling N is more than. This is wrong. Therefore, answer is 2. Answer is, I am writing answer is 2. Previously also answer, what is answer 1? The answer is 1, I take it here. Then, next question. Consider a block kept on inclined plane. Kept on inclined plane. Inclined plane at 45 degrees as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. The force required to just push it up with the incline is 2 times the force required to prevent it from sliding down. This is a rough inclined plane actually. Coefficient of friction between the block and the inclined plane. Again I am reading. Consider a block. This is a block kept on inclined plane, inclined at 45 degrees as shown in the figure. Yes. If the force required to just push it up, force required to push it up means weight will be acting downward because you are moving up, frictional force will be acting downward. So here mg sin theta, I'll write there only mg sin theta plus friction. Friction plus mg sin theta. Mg sin theta plus friction going up. Friction is mu n. So going up Fk. Mg sin theta plus mu kn. Friction is given by the formula. So I'll go to first page and write friction formula also. What is friction basic formula? Fs is nothing but mu s n. N is normal reaction. Fk is mu kn. So mu is called coefficient of static friction, limiting friction, kinetic friction. That is friction. Going up is 2 times down. What is downward force? You know downward force is nothing but mg sin theta minus mu kn. He is telling F upward. F upward. The force required just push it up is 2 times to prevent. To prevent means that much force you have to give. So your downward force is this much. Upward force is 2 times downward force. Force required just to prevent from sliding down means if you don't give this much force to equal to 2 times up down, it will slip actually. That's why he's telling force required just push it up 2 times required to just prevent it from sliding down. If you apply it like that, so the in that case, what the coefficient of friction is asked? So it prevent to sliding down. That much force you have to give. Mg sin theta plus mu kn is nothing but equal 2 into mg sin theta minus mu kn. Here normal reaction is what? Normal reaction, you know, normal reaction is nothing but mg cos theta. The normal reaction is nothing but given by. So this mg sin theta, mg cos theta, if you have some idea, weight will be resolved into components. So normal reaction is balanced by mg cos theta. Normal reaction is balanced by mg cos theta. So I'll expand this and get the answer for friction. mg sin theta plus mu k mg cos theta Normal reaction is not always mg. So it will be inclined plane mg cos theta. 2 mg sin theta. 2 mg sin theta minus 2 mu k mg cos theta. So if you bring this side, so 2 mg sin theta minus mg sin theta will become mg sin theta. There if you take it, it will become 3 mu k mg cos theta. This is minus. So mg gets cancelled. We want mu k. Mu k is nothing but 1 by 3 sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but how much? Tan theta. Theta is how much? 45. Tan 45 is how much? 1. 1 by 3 tan 45. Tan 45 is how much? 1. You know tan 45. So 1 mu k value is how much? How much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 recurring. You will get 1 by 3 is how much? They may give 1 by 3. Sometimes they are giving recurring. 0.33. 0.33 recurring like this. So appropriate. So nearest answer is 0.33. 33 recurring. 0.33. So here concept is going up mg sin theta plus friction, coming down mg sin theta minus friction. Normal reaction is mg cos theta. Normal reaction is mg cos theta. Okay, students. Then a block of mass m slides down the plane inclined at an angle 30 degrees with an acceleration g by 4. The body is coming down the inclined plane. This is your inclined plane. Inclined plane theta 30 degrees. The value of coefficient of kinetic friction. When the body is coming down inclined plane, body is coming down in inclined plane. You know, I told you force coming down is nothing but mg into mg sin theta minus friction. I told mg sin theta minus friction. So if you take that formula, mg sin theta minus mu k mg cos theta, mg, because you know fk is nothing but mu k n, normal reaction. N is not normal reaction. Or some books will give R capital R also. Normal reaction NR capital R. Mg sin theta minus the acceleration formula mg sin theta minus mu. But what is force? You know, Newton's second law ma. So mg, you need not derive all these things directly. You can write actually, student, in the examination. But I am reminding you because little revision I am doing. So this is directly you can take actually. The acceleration is given how much? G by 4. Acceleration is given G by 4. G into sin theta, theta 30 degrees. So sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So he's asking mu k only. Sin theta minus mu k cos theta. You want mu k. G gets cancelled, you get 1 by 4 here. So 1 by 4 sin 30. Sin 30 means half minus mu k cos 30 means root 3 by 2. You send this side mu k into root 3 by 2. Mu k into root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 will become 1 by 4. So this is goes 2 times here. So mu k will become 1 by 2 root 3. Mu k will become what? 1 by 2 root 3. So mu k root 3 will go down. Mu k will become 1 by 2. This is actually formula. Directly you can apply. A is equal to g into sin theta minus. Going up means plus will come. Going down means minus will come. G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. These are all the questions given previous questions, previous main questions. These are very, very important models we selected and we are doing. So last minute revision for January end examination, which starts from 22nd. So these tips will be useful, my dear students. Whoever listen this lesson in YouTube class, this one, I'm Srinivasan. Once again, I'm telling you, it's an experience. We are keeping some bits here. You can revise and appear for 2025 January JEE main examination. JEE main examination. Okay, students. Force acts for 20 seconds on a body of mass 20 kg starting from rest. After which the force ceases, means force removed. Ceases means stopped, removed, and the body describes 50 meters in the next 10 seconds. What is the value of the force he is telling? So if you start, what is happening? Force acts on a body of mass. I am writing here. Body is lying on a smooth surface. Imagine the force is acting here. How much force is acting? We don't know. Body of, on a body of mass 20 kg. Mass is nothing but 20 kg. This mass is 20 kg. Starting from rest. Starting from rest means U is equal to 0. Starting from rest. Afterwards, force CGS and body disturbs 15 meters in next of some time. How much time? We don't know. Sorry, he has given 20 seconds. 20 seconds is travel till that force is there. That means force is there till 20 seconds. Time is equal to 20 seconds. So starting from rest, here it acquires some velocity. After reaching here, it will acquire some velocity. Afterwards, after reaching this velocity, it is getting accelerated. Force is there, it is getting accelerated. So getting accelerated, because of acceleration, it is moving forward. And how much time it is going? 20 seconds is going. So describes next 15 meters in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, next is the T1, T2. 10 seconds, it is traveling how many meters now? Distance 50 meters. But here, force velocity will remain same everywhere, because force see this. In this interval, force will become 0. Force is 0 means force is 0. Next interval, force is 0 means acceleration is 0. It moves constant velocity. So every second it will go with constant velocity. Complete 10 seconds it will move with constant velocity, because force ceases to act. Ceases means stops to act. This is the diagram. What is the idea now? It is asking force value. But force is not there. Sorry, friends. Force is not there in second interval. First interval force is there. You write down acceleration is there here. What is the acceleration? F by m. What is the acceleration? F by m. Mass is how much? 20. Acceleration is nothing but F by 20. So here velocity is there, starting velocity is 0. V is equal to U plus 80. I am writing here. V is equal to U plus 80. U is how much? 0. V is nothing but 0. A is nothing but F by 20. T1 time, T1 20 seconds. T1 20 seconds. This is a board also will do actually when we are doing problems. So if not for IPE, if we are doing general, board problems will be there. 2020. V is equal to F. Numerical value of V is equal to force. Numerical value, this is first equation. So V, how to find out? Is traveling 50 meters. Next 10 seconds. Next 10 seconds, it is moving with constant speed. That means distance traveled. This is distance traveled. Distance traveled is equal to velocity into time, because there is no acceleration here. Next 10 seconds, acceleration is 0. It will travel with constant velocity. S is 50 meters. This is S, 50 meters. V is nothing but what? F. T2 is nothing but how much? T2 is nothing but 10. T2 is nothing but 10 seconds. Therefore, force value will become how much? 50 by 10. It will become equal to, you are using 5 newtons force in beginning for 20 seconds. Then afterwards force is 0. So answer is 5 newtons. So first data, this is also looks like simple. Sometimes idea. So we got divide the time interval. 20 seconds acceleration is there. Acceleration is F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. So the great equation, F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. So F is we don't know. M is 20. So first the acceleration is there. So V is equal to U plus kinematics equation. Motion is straight line we land. Initial velocity 0. V is equal to F. Of course, if force units is Newton's velocity is in meter per second, but he's telling magnitude of V is equal to magnitude of velocity. Number is same. Next T2 10 seconds, acceleration is 0. S is equal to V into T2. So 50 is equal to P F into 10. So F is equal to 5 newtons. The answer is this. Now next, time taken by an object to slide down 45 degrees rough inclined plane. Time taken by an object to slide down 45 degrees rough inclined plane is n times as it takes to slide down a perfectly smooth 45 degrees inclined plane also. This is smooth. This is rough. Time taken is what? If you take length of the inclined plane is L, For example, you take smooth plane or length plane, similar inclined planes. If L is the length of the inclined plane, starting from 0, if you apply kinematic equation, so this is rough plane. Rough plane means what is the acceleration? Rough. Rough means, so what is the acceleration here? G into, you remember rough plane always coming down, its body is coming down. Coming down means G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Smooth plane means, if it is smooth plane, friction will not be there. Same incline, I am not drawing diagram for similar inclined plane. For similar smooth plane, smooth plane, smooth inclined plane, inclined plane. What is the acceleration here? What is the acceleration here? Smooth inclined plane. I am writing, this is the acceleration A1, this is the acceleration A2. Here G sin theta, acceleration is G sin theta, because friction won't be there. So it is the same case, L is same in both the cases. Time taken, you know, time is under root 2h by G, you learned. T1 is under root 2L, T1 under root 2L by A1. A1 means G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. T1. T2 is what? Under root 2L by G sin theta. Where it will take more time? Rough plane will take more time. Rough plane, it will take more time. He told the coefficient of kinetic is asking n times. T1 is n times. T1 it takes more time than smooth plane. You should decide T1 is greater than T2. He has given that T1 is T1 is nothing but n times T2. So T1 here it is there. So if you take like that, under root 2L by G into sin theta minus mu cos theta is equal to 2 times under root 2L by G sin theta. Root 2L gets cancelled here. Squaring and all that. Squaring and you do mathematics here. Squaring. If you square, what will happen? 1 by squaring G into sin theta, squaring on squaring both sides. On squaring both sides, G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta, mu cos theta, mu k cos theta, 4 by 2 square 4 by G sin theta. Here n times he 2 times he told, n times he told, sorry, not 2 times, n times, he told n times, not 2 times. So in nothing but n square, it will become n square, not 2 times n square. N value can anything, greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. On simplification, you are going to get, please simplify and see, Nana, verify you are not getting, we'll see to it. So 1 minus 1, here space is not there. 1 minus 1 by n square you get. To simplify, on simplifying, I'm writing here, on simplifying. Space is becoming less for me. I have to go page, I can't go to another page. On simplifying, on simplifying, on simplifying, on simplifying, okay, simplifying, and simplifying, okay, this is the answer. This is the answer, 1 minus 1 by n square. So everybody will be, yeah, 1 plus 1 by n square is 1 minus 2 are with root. But answer is without root only because square root will go. To arrange, you get mu is equal to 1 minus 1 by n square or n square minus 1 by n square. So this is also slope deciding only. Slope deciding. This we'll see last. Time permits. We'll see the graph. Now work for some questions are given. Work for some questions are given. Work for some questions are given. What is work for questions? Work for questions. 1 second, student. Please read the question. A spherical body of mass, a spherical body of mass 2 kg starting from rest acquires a kinetic energy. Last time also, I think one class, some questions we did there. So whether you are following this YouTube by Srinivasan lecture, once we did, last time we did some other chapters, secondary chapters, wave optics, wave optics, and some work for energy also. A spherical body of mass 2 kg starting from rest acquires a kinetic energy of 10,000 joules at the end of 50 seconds. Force acting on the body is. So mass 2 kg starting from rest. Starting from rest means E is equal to 0. Velocity at the end of 50 second. I want to know what is velocity at the end of 50 second. V is equal to U plus AT. T is equal to 5 seconds. T is equal to G, and end of 50 second means it is 5 seconds. So V I will find out. Acceleration how to find out? Acceleration is nothing but F by M. Acceleration, it is a combined question. Acceleration is nothing but F by M. U is equal to 0. V is equal to 0 plus F by M into T is nothing but 5. M is nothing but 2 Ks he has given. F by 2, M is 2. 5 F by 2. V is nothing but 5. V is nothing but 5F by 2. We got 5F by 2. What is kinetic energy formula? You know kinetic energy, next step. Kinetic energy is nothing but, basic formula kinetic energy is what? Half mv square. Kinetic energy given how much? 10,000. Simple concepts only, student. Half 2 velocity square. Velocity square means, if you do velocity square, 5F by 2 whole square. 5F by 2 whole square. So 10,000, this gets cancelled. 25 F square by 4. 25 F square by 4. 25 F square by 25 goes how many times I am doing? 400. So F square will become equal to 1600. F will become equal to 40 into 48, 1600, 40 newtons. This is called integer type question. This is called integer type question. Next, a body of mass 1 kg begins to move under the action of a time dependent force. This is a time dependent force where I and G are unit vectors along x-axis and y-axis. The power developed by the force at the time 2, power developed by the force at the time is equal to 2 seconds. You know power. What is power? Power is nothing but instantaneous power. Is that t2 is equal to 2 seconds instantaneous power is nothing but equal to F bar dot V bar. Power work by time, one formula is there. Work by time. That is the average power. Delta W by delta T. Instantaneous power. Force bar velocity. V is called velocity. V is called velocity. V bar is called, I am writing here, V bar is nothing but velocity. I use the space this side and this side, dividing into two parts here. Right here. How to find velocity? Force is here. Mass is 1 kg. Acceleration vector we'll find out. Force is a function of time now, not a constant force. You can't apply Kinematics equation. F bar by M. M is 1 kg. So you get T I cap plus 3T square J cap by 1. By 1 means that much only it will become. Acceleration is right dV by dt now. Acceleration I write dV by dt. Whenever it is variable force, you are right A dV by dt. I told you today. 3T square J cap. What is dV? I want to find out dV. Multiply by dt. Ti bar plus 3T square J cap dt. So integration you have to do now. Integral dV is nothing but V. I am doing integration. Integral T dt. What is it? T dt? We are going to get integral T dt. Integral T dt I cap plus 3 into integral T square dt J cap. So integral dV means V bar, dV bar, V bar. Integral T dt. I cap will be there outside. T dt, T square by 2. Integral T means T to the power, integral x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral T to the power of 1 is not differentiation, integration. T to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 means T square by 2 into I cap 3 into T cube by 3 into J cap. This is called velocity vector. 3 gets cancelled here. This is velocity vector. I told power instant of F bar, power instant and how to calculate. Dot product. What is force vector? This is force vector. Force vector is nothing but Ti cap plus 3T square J cap dot above vector. T square by 2 I cap plus T cube J cap. This is kept in one bracket. So when you do dot product, what will get? Sorry, power won't be there. Power, sorry, here no vector. Power is scalar. Power is scalar. This is scalar. Force is vector, velocity vector. When you do dot product, T into T square by 2. T cube by 2. I cap dot I cap 1 plus 3T square 3T to the power of 5. 3T to the power of 5. J cap dot J cap. He is asking at T is equal to 2 seconds. This one. So this answer is asking T is equal to 2 seconds. So power, instantaneous power will be, wherever T is there, 2 apply. 2 cube by 2 plus 3 into 2 to the power of 5. So it will become 2 cube by 2 means 8 by 2. That is nothing but 4. It will become power is nothing but equal to 4 plus 3 into 32, 96. 3 into 39. This will become power will become 100 watts. Power will become how much? This is nothing but integer type question, 100 watts here. 100 watts. So you have to find out this is a variety question where power is equal to F bar dot G bar. A bar is nothing but F bar by M. So F bar is nothing but Ti cap plus 3T square J cap by 1. Mass is 1 kg. A is equal to dV by dt I am writing and finding velocity first. Then I am doing F bar dot V bar I am getting 100 watts. A 0.4 kg mass takes 8 seconds to reach the ground when dropped from certain height. P, above the surface of the earth. The loss of potential energy in the last second of the fall. What is potential energy? mgh. A 0.4 kg here mass 0.4 kg is dropped from this point. So it is traveling some height here. So height how to find out easily? It taking 8 seconds. Total time is how much? 8 seconds. Potential energy the last second means 8th second is asking. It is talking total time of what? 8 seconds. Last second means what? Nothing but 8th second. Nothing but 8 seconds is different, 8 seconds is different. 8 seconds total. What is the height in 8 seconds? U is equal to 0 here. U is equal to 0. H is equal to half dt square. Freely falling body, F is dt square. G you can take 10. T is nothing but 8 square. 8 square means 64 you will get. So 2 goes 32 times here. Total height is 320 meters. Total height is 320 meters. Now, if you want to know 8th second, have to remove this distance. Okay. Or you can find out 8th second directly. Is asking loss of potential energy means what? mgh. Let us say this is x. So loss of potential energy is nothing but mgh minus mgx. But actually 8 calculation is also not necessary, student. I calculate 8 actually. So loss of potential energy mgh minus mgx. Last distance traveled is nothing but, we call it as this distance traveled is nothing but y, nth second. So this is nothing but loss of potential energy, nothing but mgy, mg into y, that is nothing but equal to mgh minus mgx. Yeah, how to find out y? Distance traveled in 8th second, starting from rest. So what is the nth formula you are using to find s? Nth is nothing but equal to g by 2 into this partially kinematics equation. How beautifully this application is there. I think students you are seeing This cell is also not necessary actually. This is not necessary. Not necessary for us time being. Necessary. Loss of potential energy is what I'm finding. mgh minus mgx is nothing but mgy. Y is nothing but snth g by 2 to n minus 1. N is nothing but what? S8th. G by 10 by 2, 2 into 8. 2 into 8, 16. N is nothing but 8. N is nothing but nth nothing but 8. 16. 16 minus 1. 2 into 8 brackets minus 1. 16 minus 1. 10 by 2. 16 minus 1. 15. 150 by 2. 75 meters. 75 meters. Distance traveled. So multiplied by, mg gets cancelled. So 75 meters means mg into 75. So 0.4. So what is mgy? 0.4. I want to calculate mgy. 0.4 into g into 10 into 75. So 4 into 75. 4 into 75. How much it is? 300 joules. 4 into nothing but 300 joules. Loss of potential energy nothing but 300 joules here. So this is also not necessary calculation. Just first initially don't know, I have seen, but loss of potential energy mgh minus mgx, that is nothing but mgy. Why I found out multiplied by mg, I am going to get. This is a logic question. Logic question using the same potential energy equation mgh. So this is also displacement. We'll see because rotating motion questions are also there. I would like to do this is variable constant power. Some equation is there. We'll do next. So here this is a small problem. JEE, EAPCET as well as JEE main level problems. This is given JEE main also, EAMCET also. A particle moves to a position 5i minus 2j plus k from its initial position 2i plus 3j minus 4k. This is initial position. This is final position. What is initial position? R1 bar you say. 2i plus 3j minus 4k. What is the final position? R2 bar. He has been in final position first. Moves to this position from initial position. 5i minus 2j plus k. What is displacement vector? Displacement vector R2 bar. Final position minus initial position. So S bar is nothing but 5i minus 2i. It will become 3i. This is nothing but 5i. This one. Final position. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 5j plus k minus of minus 4k plus 5k. So plus k minus of minus 4, 5k. Final minus initial, R2 minus R1. So this minus this, 5 minus 2, 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5j plus 5. This force vector is given how much? Force vector is given 5i plus 2j plus 7k. See properly. Work done, what is work done? F bar dot S bar. Work done. Last time also we did. Last class we can verify my classes. First class we are having some secondary concepts and work power energy also. F bar dot S bar. Dot code is very easy. Once again I'm telling. 5 into 3, 15. I cap dot I cap. I to I, j to j, k to k you are multiply. 15 minus 10 plus 35. 15 minus 10, 25. 25 plus 35. Value of work done we are going to get. 15 minus 10, 5. 5 plus 35, 40. You are going to get 40. 40 joules. Work done is nothing but equal to the integer type question, 40 joules. It's a very easy question. Yeah. EAPCET level question, JEE main level question. Work done is equal to, only thing is S bar directly is not given. R2 bar minus R1 bar. Here, this is also a spring based question. We'll come back last 2 minutes to this question. Now we are starting from rotatory motion questions now. Starting from rotatory motion. So after completing rotatory motion questions, we'll come back again those gaps problems. 20 questions are given. Assignment is, you can see solid sphere Moment of inertia. First is discussing about moment of inertia. You know, moment of inertia, general formula is what? Generally, particle means particle. For particle, if we take particle, mr square. R means perpendicular distance of the distance from the axis of rotation. I use mr square. But bodies, different bodies, different. Moment of inertia of sphere, solid sphere. Nothing is mentioned means solid sphere. For that, one formula is there. 2 by 5. Small r means small r, radius capital R means capital R. This is the moment of inertia means just like inertia in straight line motion. Newton's law is inertia line. That is mass. Mass is the measure of inertia. Rotatory motion, inertia is mass into square of the distance from the axis of rotation. Solid sphere 2 by 5 mr square like that. Solid sphere A is rotating about an axis PQ. Axis, this is axis. This is our axis, my dear. So solid sphere is here. So parallax I am taking. For this one parallax is I am taking. One parallax I am taking. You know parallax theorem. So what is parallax theorem? I want to know about PQ. I about PQ is nothing but this is perpendicular distance is 10 centimeters. You know parallax theorem IPQ is nothing but moment of inertia. This is center of mass. This is center of mass IC plus md square. D is nothing but 10 centimeters. IPQ is asking about radius of gyration. Radius of direction. General formula for I is given by general formula mk square, where k is called radius of gyration. Mk square. IC is nothing but what? Solid sphere. What is the formula for solid sphere? You know, solid sphere formula 2 by 5 mr square plus md square. And because he is asking in centimeters, I'll keep everything in centimeter. Md square. M gets cancelled everywhere here. K square, I want to find out K. K square is nothing but 2 by 5 R square. R I am taking in radius. What is the radius he has given? 5 centimeters. I am taking centimeters only. 5 square plus D square. D is nothing but 10. 10 square. So 5 square goes. K square is nothing but 10 plus 100. K square is 110. He is taken K square. K is nothing but root 10. So K is nothing but root 110. So root 110 is nothing but K is nothing but root x. Radius of gyration. This is called radius of gyration. This is given as root x. Root x is nothing but root 10. K is given as root x. K is nothing but root x he has given. Root x is 110. But what is the value of x now? X value nothing but 110. 110 centimeter. X value nothing but 110 centimeters. So a small question is IPQ nothing but IC plus MD square. This is called parallel axis theorem. I'm writing here. This is called parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis. There are two important theorems are there. Parallel axis theorem and perpendicular axis theorem. These two axes are parallel to each other. This is perpendicular distance D. So IPQ is nothing but IC plus, sorry, I'm writing here. This is one. The theorem has come here. Parallel axis theorem. So this is the explanation. Now, there is one question here. A uniform solid cylinder with radius r and length capital L has moment of inertia I1. Solid cylinder is this one. This is called solid cylinder. Solid cylinder of radius r. What is the axis? Axis of cylinder is like this. This is called axis. This is called axis, solid cylinder. So, what is solid cylinder of with radius r and length L? This is length L. Length L has moment of inertia I1. But moment of inertia doesn't depend on length here. Moment of inertia about this axis means mr square by 2. Just like circular disc, nothing but mr square by 2. Where m is the mass of the cylinder. Now, what is telling this is okay. I1 equal to mr square by 2. Solid cylinder. Okay, a concentric solid cylinder. A concentric from this of radius r by 2. I am removing concentric solid cylinder. I am removing from this. From this, I am removing concentric solid cylinder. I am removing this part. What is the radius of that? We are removing r dash nothing but r by 2. Anyhow, length not necessary, even though length is given L by 2. I2 is the moment of inertia of the carved portion. I2 is the moment of inertia of this removed portion. Removed portion radius is how much? R by 2. But mass also will change for this. Inner mass is m dash. So m dash nothing but equal to radius is nothing but r by 2 mr square by mr by 2 whole square. Sorry. Yes, mr square by 2 mr by 2 whole square by 2. Instead of r, we get r by 2. 2 originally it is there. Okay, but m dash how to find out? Mass is proportional to volume. That's why length is given. Don't think that length is unnecessary data. Here length is given. L is L first. M is nothing but what? M is nothing but cylindrical. Pi r square L. M dash is nothing but what? What is M dash? Pi r is r by 2 whole square into L by 2. Pi r square by 4. R square by 4 into L by 2. Pi r square L by 8. So this is pi r square L. Pi r square L by 8 means M dash is M by 8. So M is pi r square L. Because so pi r square L mass is proportional to what? Mass is proportional to volume. Into density will be there. They are made of same cylinder, same material, I think. They are made of same material. Mass is, of course, mass is proportional to your height. M dash is proportional to your height. M dash is not equal to pi r square L, but proportional to volume. M by 8. So here, so I2 is proportional to right, proportional to 8, right? Proportional to M by 8, R square by 4, R square by 4 into 2 will be there. He is asking what is I1 by I2. What is I1 by I2? What is I1? MR square by 2. What is I by 2? I2 because M dash is M by 8. We are writing this is MR square by 2. I am taking it up 8 into 4 into 2. 8 into 4 into 2 by MR square. 2 gets cancelled, MR square gets cancelled. I1 by I2 will become equal to 32. So this value is nothing but 32. So this is integer type question. So in JEE mains integer type questions will be the last 5 questions will be. This time there is no choice. 20 multiple choice questions. Each question 4 marks. Negative marking is there -1. If you answer correct, you will get 4 marks. If you don't answer, you get not 0 but -1. That is JEE main. Of course, EAMCET there is no negative marking. But here how many questions are there? 20 plus 5, 25 will be there. You have to do in 1 hour. M dash is M by 2. So I'm telling you that point. I1 M proportional MR square by 2, R dash R by 2 is all given. So mass is proportional to volume and density. I'm writing mass is proportional to volume. B is nothing but volume. This is how we are going to do this problem. Here, a car is moving with a constant speed. It's circular motion, it is not rotational. Circular motion. A car is moving on circular track. The car is moving with constant speed of 20 meters per second in circular horizontal track. Circular horizontal track of radius. You are going suddenly, you are getting circular horizontal track like this. You are getting circular horizontal track of radius 40 meters. Of radius 40 meters. Radius 40 meters. You are getting car is there here. Your pendulum is hanging here. So car, the angle made by this thing with vertical. Here pseudo force will be acting. Of course, I'll tell you formula here. Tan theta. So tan theta nothing but we get v square by rg. Tan theta nothing but speed of the vehicle. The formula takes some time, but I'm writing it now. Now time being tan theta is equal to v square by r. Speed is how much? A car is moving with a constant speed 20 meters per second. Circular horizontal track of radius 40 meters. A bob is suspended from the roof of the car by a massless spring. Angle made by the spring with the vertical. So it will become like this, for example. He is asking the angle. This angle is asking. Actually, this is like this. He is asking the angle amount. Going. This is the angle he is asking. Tan theta is nothing but 20 into 20. radius 40, G is nothing but 10. This is 400, this is 400. So tan theta will become equal to 1. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. 45 degrees means pi by 4 radians. 45 degrees is given radians, nothing but equal to pi by 4 radians. This is also some thinking type question here given. Generally, question sometimes 7-8 lines will be there. This is torque problem actually. When you have torque, net torque is 0 like that. So ICM is the we are coming to ICM is the moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis CM passing through center and perpendicular to the plane of the disc. ICM is the moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis center of mass passing through center and perpendicular to the plane of the disc. ICM. What is the ICM formula for disc? mr square by 2. Circular disc formula about center of mass. That is ICM. IAB is moment of inertia about an axis AB. About an axis AB. Perpendicular to the plane. About an axis AB perpendicular to the plane and parallel to the axis CM at a distance of 2 by 4. So you are taking this one passing through center of mass, z-axis. Z-axis is taking. Next is taking one more axis. Second one, that is about IAB. IAB. This is A, this is B, you think like that. IAB. Here is nothing but ICM plus M d square. D is nothing but what? R. Here D is nothing but R, radius. MR square. ICM is nothing but what? MR square by 2 plus MR square. Is nothing but equal to sorry, it is not R, no, sorry, not tangent, sorry. Some distance he has taken. That distance is nothing but what? 2r by 3. That distance is nothing but 2r by 3. I will remove this. 1 minute. IAB is nothing but parallax theorem you are using. You are using parallax theorem. The parallax theorem diagram is not clear, but this is one axis, this is another axis. D is nothing but 2r by 3. M d square. M d square. ICM means mr square by 2 plus md means 2r by 3 whole square. So mr square by 2 plus m into 4r square by 9. So if you take mr square common, you are going to get IAB value, how much you are going to get? mr square you take common, you are going to get 1 by 2 plus 4 by 9. 1 by 2 plus 4 by 9. So 18 is LCM, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 by 9. IAB is nothing but how much you are going to get? mr square into 17 by 9. 17 by 9. He has given that IAB is to ICM. IAB is to ICM. He is given how much? X is to 9 here. X is to 9. So this is how much you are going to get? 17 by 18. Nothing but equal to, of course, mr square by 2. Okay. If you do all these things, X value will become 17. You check the ratio here. Well, nothing but 17 here. So he has given some more questions here, but time is getting up for us. So out of 20 questions, I'm able to do at least 14 to 15 questions now. I'm reading just 1 second is there, cell speed of mass 5 kg and disc. Solid sphere is there, disc is there, 4 kg, both are given. Ratio of moment of inertia of the disc about a tangent in its plane to the moment of inertia of the sphere about a tangent. So I'm just writing formula, the ratio is asking, right? And disc about tangent in its plane ratio. First what? Solid sphere. Solid sphere means 2 by 5 mr square plus disc about tangent plane, tangent in its plane. Tangent in its plane means 2 by 5 mr square plus mr square will come by circular disc. Circular disc means what? mr square by 2 plus mr square will come. So this is nothing but equal to x by 7 into. What is the value of x? So I think automatically will cut. So thank you, students. Next time we'll meet again Saturday for JEE class.